Hey guys, I just want to show you that probably saying that this is a real gun and why am I holding this. It is actually a Nerf product, and the sign is right here, as you can see. That says Nerf. Sorry, it's all messed up. Oh, it is a Nerf weapon. You might have seen that from a Zombie Strike when it was like that. Yep, this is literally the Zombie Strike modified, and you're probably saying that I could get killed if I use this. Got the orange tips, what really does help. And this is a Nerf weapon, except it is modified, and as you can see, there's kind of like this blackness that shows like smoke, and probably thinking to yourself, well, great that you did that, but now it can't work. Well, think again. Actually, now that you mention it, if you thought of that, you are a brilliant mind, because it's a Zombie Strike, as you can know. And what do? You might have seen this. It is a special spray paint. It is from a vending machine. And Sam, you ruined everything. You even ruined my bet. You just walk on my stuff. What I'm trying to say is that I'm gonna be making a Nerf war video finally, but I'm gonna need my cousin for it. And my cousin got some Nerf guns, and probably saying that he'll get some decorated. Nah, he isn't getting none decorated. Why? Because he's a stingy little butthole. But he's my stingy little butt. By the way, that was just a joke. He's not. He's actually a really cool dude. It's just I don't think he'd be happy decorating it. I mean, could be, but he needs seafood rooms. So the first rule is when you're doing it like this, if you already got started, I am so sorry for you, because you need to put tape on every single bit of holes. Like with the Sam, I swear. Never mind that. Sam! What you gotta do is you gotta put holes on, you gotta put tape on this. Wait, not on that. Sit Sam. You gotta put tape on all that, but, I mean, on this, and so it doesn't get on there. That spot is okay if you don't always spray on it. And Sam, I swear, you will get it someday. So what happens is you just tape it, and apparently I'm gonna have to cut this short because my cat's being a little asshole.